mass by volume percentage. So this is the third one. So first one we observed mass by mass. Second one we observed volume by volume. But third one we are observing what? Mass by volume. That means what? M by V percentage. M by V percentage. Okay na? Mass volume. Mass is measured in grams. Volume is measured in ml. That means here we are taking the quantity in mass as well as in volume. Understood? That means what will be the formula? Again, formula will be same only. Mass by volume percentage means M by V. M by V into 100. Into what? 100. That means mass we should take in grams. Volume we should take in ml. Both will consider here. Mass will consider, mass of the beaker will take, and volume of the beaker also will consider. That's why here units will be there. What will be the units here? If you take units, what will be the units? Mass units is what? Gram. Volume units is what? Ml. So gram by ml. But that doesn't have units because both we are measuring in same. So gram by ml is the units. This technique is very important in especially medical. In medical and as well as in industries. In industries, this is very useful. Okay, so these are the uses of mass by volume percentage. Very important in medicine. By preparing medicines and industrial purpose, they use this technique. If you go for industry, they use this technique only for finding the percentage of the given substance. So this is mass by volume percentage. What is that? Mass by